let me first ask you how this is affecting your workers at Equinor. I mean, how many people are not coming to work? Are you going to be laying people off?
Well, first of all, good morning, and thanks for having me. This $3 billion action plan we put in place today to strengthen our financial resilience as a company, and that is in the interest of all employees. There are no temporarily or layoffs as part of this plan, but a lot of our workers are working from home as a response to the coronavirus situation, and then we are following the recommendations from Norwegian authorities.
All right. How about the investors? Are they still should they still be expecting payouts going forward? For example, won't you want to scrap dividends as you tighten your belt here?
Well, this initiative is to put in place forceful measures to address the drop in the commodity prices, especially the oil prices that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. And we are also announcing today then that we will be cash flow neutral at $25 Brent for the rest of the year, which I believe is a very, very strong number. And there is no news related to the dividend payouts, but we also announced during the weekend that we are postponing until further notice the share buyback program as a response to the current situation.
Is your expectation for the oil price to come back soon? Do you expect, for example, a V-shaped recovery in the economy that will bring the price of oil back with it? Or are we looking at, 20s and 30s as far as Brent crude for the rest of 2020?
I think this is the billion-dollar question for many of us. And I think it is actually too early to say how this is going to unfold. And then the main reason is how this coronavirus situation is going to unfold. I'm very happy to see that governments around are addressing this health issue and at the same time are addressing packages to support the industries in these different countries. One thing that we can do as a company is, of course, to be resilient, and I think it is more than ever perhaps be important to be resilient and robust in a situation like this.
Lars Christian, have you ever seen anything like this before? I mean, you've got simultaneously a drop in demand due to a pandemic, as well as a price war between two of the biggest players in the market. How long do you think it's going to last?
This is unprecedented situation, and it's very liquid and not easy to interpret how this is going to unfold. And that's why, the only thing that we can do as a company is to follow the recommendations from health authorities to help out in that situation, and then strengthen our business to the level that we can. And that is what we're doing today with the plan the action plan of $3 billion improvement.